Apologetics is the collective habit of people trying to make things in the Bible fit a faulty narrative called Christianity. That's what apologetics is. Trying to take everything that is in the Bible, whether it suits the story or not, and mold it and shape it and make it fit the Christian story. And I'm going to offer you this. If you require someone to defend what you are talking about, if you need someone to make sense of what you are talking about, if you need someone to protect your faith is weak indeed. It simply is. Truth doesn't need your protection. Truth doesn't need an attorney. Truth does not need any defense. Truth stands always and forever awaiting our discovery. Now, the Christian faith and religions that people make up, that needs a lot of defending.